Masterson with Native Lands LLC, and we are out here at the Eudora boat ramp removing invasive honeysuckle from the edge of the Wakarusa where it meets the Kansas River. And the reason we're doing that work is because these plants are not native to Kansas, and they displace or exclude our native species that belong along the rivers. And the reason that we care what types of plants are here is because our native plants are deep-rooted species that will anchor the soil along the river so that during big rain events or flood events, our soil doesn't just end up in the river and flowing downstream. It stays put. These species, look at these pretty red berries. I'm sure you have these around where you live. These species of honeysuckle have really shallow root systems. They outcompete our native plants for light, for nutrients, and they even exclude them through chemicals in the soil from their own root systems. And because they have shallow roots, it leads to increased erosion and a lack of other ecological services provided by our native ecosystems. These berries look really good, but they're not the nutrition that our native birds need or our other wildlife need. But they're so attractive they end up eating them anyway and excluding other parts of their diet that would be important to their survival. So if you have these in your yard, please take them out and replace them with a native shrub. If you have any questions, post them in the comments and I can provide you some examples of what would be good honeysuckle replacements. Thank you and have an awesome weekend.